How to know if someone is watching your iPhone. Stop it now. If you think someone might be watching or tracking your iPhone, pay close attention to these signs. First, check your battery usage. Go to Settings, then Battery, and look for apps using power in the background that you don't recognize. Unknown apps can be a red flag. Next, check your data usage. Open Settings, tap Cellular, and scroll down. If you see apps consuming data that you never use, your phone could be sharing information without you knowing. Now, check for unknown profiles or device management. Go to Settings, then General, and tap VPN and Device Management. If you see anything you didn't install, remove it immediately. Another important step is checking location sharing. Go to Settings, tap Privacy and Security, then Location Services. Review which apps have access to your location and set them to while using or never if they don't need it. Also, make sure screen recording isn't running. Swipe down to open Control Center and look for the screen recording icon. If it's active and you didn't start it, stop it right away. Finally, update your iPhone and change your Apple ID password. Updates fix security vulnerabilities, and the new password protects your account. If anything feels suspicious, remove unknown apps and restart your phone. That's how you can tell if someone is watching your iPhone and stop it immediately.